Hello, I'm Sucheta and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very special topic related to Navratra Sadhana. We celebrate Navratra, 9 auspicious night, and worship Divine Mother, Supreme Energy called Shakti. It's more than a festival for us because it enriches our life with new enlightenment and rejuvenate our sadhana. We basically invoke the divine Shakti of Supreme Mother in idol or picture form while Navratri. But when we directly connect with nature, with to invoke the spiritual powers of Shakti, Mother Durga, then this sadhana or spiritual practice is more beneficial and gives us more spiritual energies because Mother Durga reside in subtle form in nature, and then when we connect with this energy, the power or spiritual energy multiply itself. That's what the old tradition, Vedic tradition and practice tell us. Our ancient siddhas, rishi connected to nature to attain highest divine spiritual energy. That's why they went to jungle to align their mind, body and soul with the higher and divine spiritual energy and connected with nature, so to attain nirvana, moksha. And if we want any wish that to be fulfilled, it is the most easiest way to ask Mother Divine Durga Shakti to give us the blessings. We see all spiritual masters like Gautam Buddha did elevate his spiritual powers and attain nirvana under a Bodhi tree or a peepal tree. Also, Lord Mahavir, he spent 12 years in austerity and meditate under a Ashok tree. Also, Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa did sadhana under a peepal tree and attained spiritual energies. That's what I want to convey, that idol and picture worship is very good, but when we directly connect to nature and in the subtle form of divine mother which where she reside, it will be great for a sadhak. There are many forms of way to connect to to divine energy, but this is the most easiest way. Divine Shakti reside in the most auspicious plant that is called Aparajita, and this plant gets its name from Mother Durga. I have also made a video in Hindi about this divine plant and the power that reside in it and how beneficial it is and how many kind of problem can be solved out if we do small practice. There is a video, you can go and check this video. I have given a brief information about various problem if you have in life or if you do sadhana, what are the benefit that you can attain. Aparajita is, as I have told you, is the name of Mother Durga, and while Navratri, it is very important to light a lamp under this plant and also sit and meditate and chant mantras. There are various ways to energize or invoke the power of this plant, but what I'm telling is the easiest way to connect with nature. And don't forget to timely water it and do seva. I've experienced that whenever we connect to energies through nature, we get best result and fast also. So that's it for now. And if you are a sadhak, then please connect to this plant and get best result out of your sadhana. And if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.